Hey there, animation enthusiasts. Welcome back to How to Channel, where we turn tech tips into fun adventures. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you don't, well, my robot vacuum might just start rearranging your furniture. I know that was a bad joke. Today we're diving into the creative world of animations. Specifically, how to create a paper fold animation using your mobile phone. Yes, you heard that right. No need for fancy software or a magic wand. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. If your phone's home screen looks like a zoo of apps, don't worry, just find your browser and let's go on this adventure. Step 2. Click on that search button. It's the magnifying glass icon that makes you feel like a detective on a mission. Step 3. Type Paper Animator in the search bar. No, you're not searching for an origami instructor, but close enough. Step 4. Click on the first link that pops up. Congratulations, you've entered the magical world of paper animations. Next, close those cookie notifications. Unless you're hungry, in which case, grab a real cookie. Now it's time to generate some paper magic. Select the image you want to animate and drop it into the site. It's like dropping your worries and watching them fold away. You can now adjust your paper size, edges, and other cool settings. Think of it as giving your paper a digital haircut. Snip, snip. Then the main step. Click on the paper logo in the right corner to create your paper animation. It's like hitting the awesome button. You can change the background, but you'll need to log in with Google. If you don't want to change the background, just click on that download button and enjoy your fresh, new paper fold animation. Simple as that. And there you have it. You've just created a cool paper fold animation using only your mobile phone. Who needs a degree in animation when you've got these easy steps? Thanks for watching, Animation Wizards. If you found this video helpful or at least mildly amusing, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Or else my cat might decide to nap on your keyboard and type random messages. Trust me, no one wants that. See you in the next video, and stay creative.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye, goodbye to everybody.